Okay, hello Tuấn Minh. So how are you today? How
Happy,
how are you today? Happy? Or good? All bad? Con cảm thấy như thế nào hôm nay? Good?
happy, and goose.
Good, happy. So, you have a test today, right?
Yes,
Yeah, so the first part, can you introduce about yourself? Con có thể giới thiệu bản thân của mình không? What's your name?
nice Tuấn.
Yes, how old are you? Con bao nhiêu tuổi?
I'm 7 years old.
7 years old. Okay. Where do you live? Con sống ở đâu? Where do you live? Do you live in Hà Nội or Hồ Chí Minh City?
Hồ Chí Minh.
Hồ Chí Minh. Yes. So, how many people are there in your family? Có bao nhiêu người trong gia đình của con? One, two, three, or four?
Five.
Five people. Ooh, yes. So, what is your favorite color? Màu yêu thích của con là màu gì?
Yellow.
Yellow. That's right. So, next part. I will ask you some questions. Okay, the mini story, you know. Okay, so are you ready? Yes, the chicken is very hungry.
Oh.
Is Miss Annie very hungry?
No.
Now, is Sexy Tuấn Minh very hungry?
No.
Now, is the chicken very hungry?
Yes.
Yes. Who is very hungry?
Chicken Tony.
Chicken Tony, get drop. She walks into the kitchen.
Mother. Oh.
Ooh. Did Miss Annie walk into the kitchen?
No.
Now, so that his mom walk into the kitchen.
Yes.
Yes. Where does she walk into?
The kitchen.
The kitchen. Okay, she opens a can of crocodile soup.
Oh.
Does she open a can of chicken soup?
No.
Does she open a can of monkey soup?
No.
Yeah. So does she open a can of crocodile soup?
Yes.
Yeah. What does she open?
Crocodile soup.
Crocodile soup. Okay. How does Tony feel now? How does Tony feel?
Hungry.
Hungry. Get dropped. So, what kind of animal is hungry? Sorry. What kind of animal is Tony?
Chicken.
Chicken. What is the name of the chicken? Tiny. Get dropped. So, next part, I will show you. Okay. Mình có nhìn thấy rõ không? Ok, nhiệm vụ của con là đọc thật to cái bài này lên cho cô này. Let's start. Chicken Tony.
Chicken Tony. She went into the kitchen. She opened a can crocodile soup. She
Pours the soup.
poured the soup into a bowl.
Yes. And
And,
calls.
and
And calls
Tony to the table.
Yes.
Tony yelled, "Thank you, mommy."
Mm-hmm.
And
he starts eating
the crocodile soup.
Crocodile soup. Get job, Tuấn Minh. So, yeah, this is the end of your test today, Tuấn Minh. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye, teacher.